Okay, today we're going to take a look at something a little bit special in my Zippo collection. But first, somebody just sent me this copy of Longstreet, the TV series that ran for one season, started in September of '71. All 23 episodes plus the movie. And the good part about this was Bruce Lee was a guest star. And it says back here, Bruce Lee made 4 guest appearances who served as Longstreet's martial arts teacher. That's worth looking into. And another part of Bruce Lee's career that started in '66 was, of course, the Green Hornet. And the pity about this was that Van Williams, who spent 2 years with Bruce Lee, never looked like he learned one good martial arts move. So let's take a look at the Zippo. So this arrived in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it says Woodstock above the barcode. Made in Bradford, PA. So there is the Woodstock Zippo, and you can see it's got a special insert, the little Woodstock insert. And this is on a black matte finish. And it says 3 days and it says 3 days of peace and music. And that came out just after this one did. This was the commemorative of 50 years after Woodstock, 1969. This came out early 2019. It looks like it was made in late 18. And this one was made in, looks like H of 19. I think that's August. Oh, steel insert. Lights up nice. I think there is one more Woodstock collectible. So I might be getting one more. But fires up nice. Got a pretty good sound. Let's do a drop test. So the drop test is passed easily by the Woodstock Zippo. It's a pretty good one from my collection. And Woodstock had a lot of tunes with cowbell in them. Let's hear some now. Cowbell, that is. Knuckle bump.